All right, guys, I want to bring y'all a treat tonight. So we just got one of the first available coilover conversions for the 2020 and newer 2500, 3500 platform. This is made to work with their 6.5-inch lift. Of course, this is BDS as well. It's going to come with your upper arms, lower arms, your tie rods, and of course your Fox Elite Series 2.5 dual speed adjustable coilovers. So you'll have two knobs here that you can adjust to dial in the pressure. Now this kit is in pre-release right now, so we were lucky enough to get our hands on one of the first available ones, but they're in very limited supply. If you are looking for one of these kits, I would say contact us quickly while we still have one, because they will be gone. And as long as these kits people have been waiting, I don't think that they'll be available for very long. They're probably going back order and be available again sometime in the future. But this kit is going to come with longer upper and lower arms, as well with tie rods. It's about a 1-inch difference over stock as far as the length, so you will get some extra travel there. It's going to come with your axle spacers to make up for that travel on the axle. Of course, you've got your coilover mounts. These are going to be your preload shims. So if you're running the kit at 6.5 as it comes, then you will use these. If you're not running them at 6.5, if you decide to turn the coilovers down, then you will just not use these. Of course, you're going to get your bump stop mounts as well. There's 4 of these, 2 on each side, of course. You're going to get your weld-in plates. You have to trim the factory bump stop mounts to make room for the coilovers, and then you have a weld-in plate that goes in the place of where you trim it. You have to just kind of cut out a section of it. All the miscellaneous hardware, coilover mounts, all this is included. Now, what's not included in the coilover conversion is the 6.5-inch lift. That is purchased separately, or you can purchase it all together, whichever way you want to do it. So if you already have the 6.5-inch kit, you can buy it as just the coilover conversion. If you don't already have the 6.5-inch kit, you can buy it as all one complete kit. Either way will work. As of right now, they don't have it available for the 5-inch yet, but that is in the works. But the 6.5 is available now, while supplies last, of course. All right, guys, that's it. I'll give you a couple more close-ups of the arms. These are going to be the boxed lower control arms. And man, these things are massively heavy. You've got your tubular uppers, of course, the coilovers. The tie rods are really nice as well. Originally didn't expect to have the tie rods included in this, but once we found out that there was going to be longer arms involved, of course, we knew that they were going to include the tie rods as well. All right, guys, that's it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.